How to connect PS4 to HP computer. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your PS4 to your HP computer using remote play. No need for HDMI cables or special adapters. Let's turn your laptop into a PS4 screen in just a few steps. Step 1. Install Remote Play on your computer. First, go to the PlayStation Remote Play website. Download the version for Windows, install it, and then open the app. Step 2. Enable Remote Play on your PS4. On your PS4, go to Settings, then Remote Play Connection Settings. Make sure Enable Remote Play is checked. Step 3. Activate it as primary PS4. Now, go to Account Management, then activate it as your primary PS4 and select Activate. This step is important so your computer can find the console. Step 4. Connect your controller. Connect your PS4 controller to your HP computer using a USB cable or via Bluetooth if you prefer. Step 5. Sign in and start streaming. Open the Remote Play app on your PC and sign in with the same PlayStation Network account you use on your PS4. The app will now search for your console and connect. And boom, your PS4 screen will appear on your HP computer. And that's it. You've just learned how to connect your PS4 to your HP computer using Remote Play. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.